I have this milk packet. It comes with an expiry date. Yes, of course, after the expiry, this milk cannot be used. This is the same case happening these days with respect to job skills as well. Some of the skills become obsolete and organizations do not want them. Why is it so? Is it because we human beings become less capable? No, organizations require newer skill in order to face the new challenges. As per the World Economic Forum, by 2030, 40% of the present jobs will be removed and newer jobs are needed. If that is the case, why such skills are becoming obsolete? What organizations want in the near future? What way we could be able to tackle such a challenging case? And what is the principle to do in an AI era as far as the job skills are concerned? And that is what we cover in today's episode of Truly AI. I am Dr. C.B. Abraham. Every job develops two types of skills: routine skills and experience-based judgment. Suppose this glass represents the routine skills. We can have the routine activities like drafting a letter, writing an email, analyzing data, getting different perspectives, and in this way all these routine tasks could be able to be done slowly, one at a time, and gradually we pick up these skills over the years by learning from others, by getting feedback and improving in our work. And this takes sometimes years in order to master that skills. Because of AI, these things could be able to be done faster. We can write emails, drafting letters faster. We can analyze the data much easier way, and we could be able to get different ideas much faster, better way, because AI could be able to help in this. That doesn't mean that routine skills are not needed, but routine skills could be able to be acquired much faster with the help of AI. Think of your career as climbing steps: the new job, new task, new skill, new experiences, and correspondingly you learn whatever things required for the job on the way. And this might usually take years in order to pick up. Because of AI, whatever years it took to acquire all these skills, you could be able to get it done in a short span of time. Then remaining part of your career will be based on what do we do with that. That is what organizations will be looking for in the times to come. Consider an illustration in order to explain how the job skills change over the years. Let us consider the case of a marketing manager and the job advertisement for 3 different years: 2015, 2020 and 2026. This is the advertisement for the 2015 post for marketing manager. It asked for key skills like digital marketing strategies, tracking website performance, and coordinating with the sales team as some of the major requirement of the job. In 2020, the job expectation was to analyze customer and campaign data, develop audience skills, and partner with the sales and analytical teams along with other required tools or other required skills. By 2020s, it has completely changed. Some of the expected skills: design AI assisted marketing campaigns, evaluate AI generated insights, and ensuring the brand data and AI governance standards. Look at this same job, same marketing manager, and over the 3 different years, the expectations of the job changed. Most of the things the marketing manager used to do in 2015 or 2020 could be able to be done much faster, easier, automated with the help of AI, and correspondingly the expectation of newer skills emerge. Some of these skills which we have been using may become obsolete and newer skills may be required in order to face the challenges of the job. Let us consider the three different types of work organizations presently use. One is the routine work, second AI collaborative work, third is the judgment based work. Then most of the routine work can gradually be done by AI. Therefore, whatever the routine work presently done by human being will be able to be done by AI. Organizations will look for people who have the capability to use AI in order to get things done. Therefore, there is a shift happening from the skill required for routine work to AI collaborated work. Then as the AI techniques become more matured, then many of the tasks will automatically get automated, and organizations many times may not require many people who have the capability to collaborate because it could be autonomously done. Then this type of skill which require lot of domain experience, leadership, strategic thinking, taking the responsibility, and also to have the personal skills like integrity, trust, etc. Therefore, you could see that the shift happening from routine tasks to AI collaborative work to judgment based work or task. Therefore, over the long time, we should be able to aiming at acquiring the skills corresponding to this, which are nothing but the leadership, trust, integrity, domain experience, strategic thinking, leadership, etc. I have got two glasses. This is human knowledge and second is the human capability. This glass could be able to be filled much faster by AI because AI capabilities could be able to take care of the jobs which require this type of routine knowledge. But AI is not in a position, at least as of now, to focus on the jobs which require human capabilities like leadership, strategic thinking, domain expertise, integrity, trust, sincerity, etc. Therefore, as a professional, our focus should be on this because organizations also will realize gradually that they have to cultivate people with this type of human capability, and that should be the focus, and that is the way we also should be able to acquiring skills so that we could be able to make our professional life more fruitful and more productive. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, truly AI.